Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers again. My name is Sahil Arora and this is the second video in our the GDPI series. Now, what are we going to talk about today? All the important elements of GD. What did we talk in the first video? In the first video, we talked about how to introduce yourself. One of the most important questions. If you have missed that, go back and see that right away. And also before we proceed, please just subscribe to our channel and share it with the people with whom you think it might be relevant. Okay, let's talk about GD. Let's talk about a very basic thing. How do you sit in a GD? How do you sit between a couple of people? Is it okay to sit like this? Right? Hmm. Hmm. No, it is not okay. Neither in a personal interview nor in a GD, you never sit with closed arms. This closed arm represents that the person is close to accepting new ideas and to conversation. You do not sit with it. When you sit like this, it reflects nervousness. You don't sit like this. You don't when you are sitting like this, your shoulders are tight, your chest is tight, right? Your arms are not relaxed, your mind is not free. How do you sit on the GD or a PI? You sit like a normal, not a very strict straight back, a bit relaxed, calm, smiling, composed, and greeting the people. Hi, introducing yourself, making familiar to the situation, getting comfortable, right? This is how you enter the GD or you sit in the GD. Now, let's talk about GD, group discussion. You are, let's say, 8 to 10 people sitting there and you are going to discuss something. What is the purpose of GD? Let's understand that. What does the panelist want to see from GD? क्या उसको पता नहीं है क्या दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है? क्यों वो दिन में एक टॉपिक पांच लोगों को दे रहे हैं, पांच डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स को दे रहे हैं? They want to see the qualities that are you a good leader first. Second, how good you are in communication. Third, can you extract a result out of a conversation, right? ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा that it is a fish market and at the end the time is over but no one is able to produce a good result or give it a good finish. ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा, right? So this is something that a the panel is seeking out of the panelist. Now let's talk about the topic. Let's say you are getting a topic of ABC. Now you are getting 3-4 minutes. What do you do in 3-4 minutes? You do not try to just build on the points, you try to back up the points with data. Always back up the points with data if you have data in your mind. Even approximate values will do, right? For example, the recent farmer strike led to a huge letdown in the industrials, in the let's say furniture industry, or in the any type of industry, XYZ, iron industry, let's say. This is one way of conveying a point. The other way is the recent strikes of farmers has led to a huge downsize in industries of iron and let's say tractors, where iron industries experienced a downfall of this percent. These are the major companies which the share prices fell by this percentage. This is how you say your point, convey your point, backing up it with the data. In those 4 minutes, try to write the important points that you think you know very well, right? And then you say, okay, now first try to start the GD. If only and only if you know the topic pretty well inside out, try to start a GD, because other people might cut you down, other people might be energetic enough to start the conversation and everything. So you need to be very, and you need to start the very first few words with a bit of authority. So guys, let's discuss the topic. The topic is this, and according to me, blah 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 blah. Right, this is how you enter. You do not start like, so guys, so I was thinking that I should start a GT. नहीं नहीं, कोई interesting नहीं है, किसी को कोई पसंद नहीं आएगा. Start with authority. You are there to lead the campaign, right? Always remember this. You have to articulate the process completely. This is your basic functioning in that point. Okay. Now you have started a GD. You are leaving it. Now, how do you leave a point? How do you, obviously you cannot speak continuously for 8 minutes. You do not have to speak for very long in the starting. Your point should be concise, like 40 to 50 seconds, and the impact done, impact of beginning done, right? Why? Because the more you will prolong, the more it will be difficult for you to communicate the ideas, the more it will be difficult for you to grab attention of everyone, and everyone will be as excited as you are to enter the GD. So it's very necessary to put your point concise. Secondly, it comes in appearance, but go with a clean shave. I don't have an interview, so I'm sitting here. But if you are going in an interview, try to keep a French beard if you don't want to take the beard off completely, or if possible, please take your beard off, please. Right? Okay. Now, okay. Now, when I was talking about entering a GD and how do you leave the point? So there are two ways in which you can leave the point. First way is, so this is what I think. I would want you guys to tell me how is this point relevant, or what do you guys think of these points that I have just said. This is something that will imply, that will reflect that I am now ending my point. This is the first way. The second way of communicating or entering a GD. There are three important points that I want to tell about this thing. There are four important points that I want to tell you about this thing. When you are saying this like this, 3 points or 4 points, everyone is mentally prepared that there are four things coming from the mouth. There are three things coming from the mouth. They will not intervene you. If they do, other people will know that this person is not allowing you to speak. Please do not be that person. Allow everyone to speak. Respect their opinions. Second, control your tone, control your voice. There might be situations when the other person is hurting your sentiments. Let's say there is some topic which involves religion, there is some topics which involve politics, and you are pro party or anti party, whatever party. It might be hurting you on a personal level, but you do not let that come on your mouth, on your face, on your tone, on your pitch. You don't remember this point, right? If you are against someone, if you think the other person is wrong, how do you cut that person? How do you tell that person that, let's say, Suresh, I somehow disagree with you and I respect your opinion, but according to me, this is the thing. And not like, Suresh, ऐसे कैसे तेरी, मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को. No, this is not the right way, right? Watch your tone. Remember one thing, you are leading a pack. Behave like leaders do. Leaders listen to everyone. You have to be a very good listener in GD. Listen to what each and every person is telling, each and every point, because it is quite possible that the other person has not backed up his point with the enough information, with the enough data, which you can later use, or use after 15-20 seconds or whatever, with much better way, which will leave a much better impact, right? I hope you understand. Now, third point, while you are communicating your data points, while you are giving your data points, while you are delivering your respect, and you are moving towards the end, make sure that you are not making it a fish market. Make sure that your GD is proceeding properly. Just in case if GD is not proceeding properly, and if you think that people are shouting, please say, guys, I think we are deviating away from the topic. Let us just come back and let us concentrate upon this point. So this person was telling that this is the thing, and I think that this is the thing. What do you think? Right? You go like this. You are the leader. You are a good person. You are a Batman. Right? So you want good for everyone. So this is what you do. Now, as soon as you say these points, you are, motivating the pack to discuss things properly. Now you're leading towards the end. Make sure you are summarizing everything. So guys, as we have all discussed, I would just like to jot down some important points that we have discussed. That these are important points, and this, according to me, should be the final summary. Right now, these things are not as easy as they seem to be, because everyone out there is as excited as you are. Many people might be seeing this video and entering, so we might be opting the same strategy or something. Make sure you are giving some good ending points to them, and then just at the end of the GD, pass a smile to everyone. Show that you are here to accept the views. Do not be rigid, right? So these are the important pointers that I have for the GD. Please prepare the current affairs properly, have a good grip on abstract topics, and learn to articulate your thoughts, because that is what matters a lot. Right, with this, I'll finish it. If you need assistance upon anything else, please always connect with me on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, wherever you want to. If you want me to make a video on any of your questions, please do that. Right, just drop the question in the comments and I'll do that. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.